For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil Girl, is all set to have a Netflix release on the 12th of August. The film's trailer that released just a few days ago received a good opening and over 2 lakh likes on YouTube. Janhvi Kapoor and Pankaj Tripaঠি's father-daughter chemistry has already won people's heart. But guess what? A group of people are trolling the film, planning to boycott the film, and have been asking others to not watch it. Reason? Well, the reason is simple yet shocking. The reason why they want to boycott the film is because it features a star kid, Janhvi Kapoor. The film is produced by Karan Johar, and a group of people want to boycott the film due to the controversy surrounding him. Gunjan Saxena is Janhvi Kapoor's second film after Dhadak. Janhvi, who had been getting trolled, has finally opened up about her feelings and opinions about the film. I have kind of fast-tracked into this system already. I've skipped many steps that many people have had to fight for. I have gotten chances that many people would not have gotten easily. I'm here already through a much easier route than most people have had. So from now, if the journey is a little bit of an uphill climb and it's a little bit harder for people to accept me, then I'll accept it. If I've skipped a certain portion of the journey that people are subjected to, then this is my journey from here on and I'll embrace it. Actor Janhvi Kapoor in a recent interview admitted that she has got into the film industry the easy way. She knows it takes time for people to accept star kids for many reasons, but the actor also said that she is ready to face challenges. Janhvi Kapoor in the interview said that it gets hard for her to prove herself and her acting skills every time. According to the actor, she is forced to prove herself again and again. I haven't made my peace with it, but the sentiments has been fueled and amplified in the last month. I hope it's not something that I have to deal with every release. Janhvi Kapoor also hopes that this proving game does not continue forever. Janhvi was trolled even before the release of her debut film Dhadak, and the situation has got only worse this time, given the whole insider versus outsider debate. Janhvi Kapoor has left no stone unturned to match the standards of the film as a tribute to the first female combat pilot. The same film also features Pankaj Tripathi, who's playing Janhvi's father's role. Pankaj Tripathi is known as a versatile actor. With all the backlash Janhvi is facing, will Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil Girl, be a success? Remains to be seen.